How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be installing this Deechworks 300C fuel pump in the BRZ, getting ready for that boost. Stick around.
Alright, start taking this 10mm bolt out. Just holding the seat on. Just lift up on that, and on the back, just kind of push down and it pops out. Flathead screwdriver and pry this up. There's going to be a bunch of black sticky silicone stuff in here. We're going to want to clean this up as much as possible. Try to keep all this dirt, dust out of the fuel tank. Alright, so we want to make sure that you open the fuel door also for releasing fuel pressure. Alright, try to clean this up. Gas in the mouth. Good stuff. Alright. So now you can see these blue lines here. That's where it has to get lined up when it gets put back. We're gonna try it. Spring and gasket off to the side. Pull out. Assembly. Try to let as much of the gas go back into the tank as possible. My tank isn't too full at the moment. We want to try to not do it on a full tank of gas. Making a bit of a mess. Alright, now that I've made a complete mess, put the fuel basket here and pull this little E-clip off. Let's the top come out.
I got these. There's 5 clips holding this guy in. So it's a little tricky to get them all out. Not that bad. There's more gas. I'm wearing a lot of gas. This is where the 5 clips are. A little tricky to get out. This is going to be the part that we're modifying. We're not going to reuse any of this. It's just the piece to hold the fuel regulator in. So I'm going to be cutting that with the Dremel tool. First we'll pop out the fuel pump. There's the old fuel pump. And got a little plastic collar. And there's a little O-ring down inside. Let me get out to it. Plug in the new harness. Alright, I'm going to cut along the line here. Just take off all this. You don't need that, it won't fit with the fuel sock. That's all we need. That one piece off. Call it good. Got our new Beachworks PW300C here. Put the fuel sock on here. Clips on. Like that. Alright, looks like we're going to use all the O-rings, if I can do it. Putting all 3 O-rings on here. Like so. So put the clip back on. Modified clip back on the regulator, that's where I cut it off. You don't need the rest of it. And then the fuel pump, just slide it right back in there. Plug in. That's gonna get plugged in here. Be good to go. All right, back in the car. Good
to hook up the line again. Get my hand nice and gassy. Now this, gotta be careful with the float, putting it back in, which I'm not doing. Assembly. Alright, the GoPro keeps dying, but I got it all back in. I'm just gonna plug this guy in. Make sure this thing starts. System a few times. See how it goes. It starts.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. The install went good, car's running fine. Make sure you subscribe, come back for more content on the BRZ. Thanks.